The male staff is very talented. He's for technical purpose, but egoistic. At times, even bad mouths me. What should I do?
One, I think culture has to be built, even though it's a small business. See, a lot of small business owners believe that culture is relevant for big organizations. मेरा तो छोटा business है, छोटा setup है. You don't build a culture when you scale up, you build a culture to scale up. So the fact that this is happening in your workplace, it tells me that there is no defined culture. So no culture also becomes culture, right? So one is culture has to be built. Second, you need to have that one-to-one mentoring relationship with everyone on your team. And in that mentoring, the monthly mentoring or guiding you do with them individually, you need to tell them what they are doing well, what they are not doing well.
Sit with him. Instead of I mentoring you, he'll mentor me.
Yeah, so you have to see, it only means he's a stronger personality. Then he's being a stronger personality than even you. And that's not wrong. Okay, that's like Saurav Ganguly leading Virender Sehwag. And Saurav will tell Virender Sehwag, "Tum single lo." Virender Sehwag will say, "Nahi, main chauka hi marega." Okay, you need to know how to use such a stronger personality, not to curb him, but to channelize his energy in the right direction. And for that, you have to build a mentoring relationship.
He comes at his own time.
Yeah,
He goes at a particular time.
such people. Here's
But when I say, पर सर आपका काम तो कंप्लीट करके जाता हूँ मैं.
तो ये बताओ, ये सुनिए आप. एक होते हैं कॉम्पिटेंट पीपल, ये बंदा जो काम करता है. एक होते हैं कमिटेड पीपल जो बातें सुनते हैं. कमिटेड पर्सन को आपको ट्रेनिंग और स्किल सिखाना पड़ेगा. If you want to level up your business learning, then I've created a free 40-minute intensive training and you can find it in the description below. In this training, I will teach you strategies, systems and skills that will help you build a business that does not require your involvement on a day-to-day basis. The 3 steps that I teach in this training have helped more than 280,000 business owners across the world to scale up their business. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and start scaling your business. Competent person को अगर आपको लाइन पे लाना है तो आपको उनको चैलेंज देना पड़ेगा कि भैया तुम अच्छे हो. पहले क्रेडिट दीजिए उसको कि तुम अच्छे हो, तुम बढ़िया काम करते हो तुम्हारी, बट तुम इसलिए ग्रो नहीं हो पाओगे और इसलिए मैं तुम्हें रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं दे पाऊंगा एज अ मैनेजर और अ लीडर, क्योंकि ये खामियां हैं. तुम इनको पूरी कर सकते हो कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. You challenge their identity a little bit. That's when these people, they love challenge. When you give it to them as a challenge, then they're willing to learn and listen. But when you're give it to them as guidance, they're blocking it.
I assign the work. He said, you forget about it, I'll do it.
Exactly. So he's an asset.
Don't मैं उसको दोबारा बोलता हूँ ना तो सर आप बार-बार हमको काहे पर छेड़ते हैं.
Yeah. So he's an asset. The approach you need to use to lead.
What is happening? The other staff, जैसे आप उसको उनको बोलते क्यों नहीं है?
You need to lead every person differently.
आप उसको कुछ बोलते नहीं है. क्यों बोलते हैं?
Fairness is treating each person differently. वो काम करता है, उसको काम के बारे में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. कुछ काम नहीं करते, उनको काम के बारे में बोलना और सिखाना पड़ेगा.
काम तो वैसे क्या है, एक लड़की है, वो सारा अपने आप संभाल लेती है. Earlier I was also in that way. I used to work myself.
Yeah.
Supported everything. I not left everything. If they require anything which they are unable to do, then I train them. You also be on the line. I'll do it. You see. Next time I'm not going to.
Just be aware that you need to lead people differently. You can't lead everyone with the same thought process. I think this person is an asset. It's just that you need to challenge him to kind of smoothen those rough edges that he has in his personality. I don't think otherwise there's any big challenge with him.